This is my original rough sketch out of my wiring plan. I wanted to put a junction box out on the post near the panels with an emergency shutoff switch. So we tapped a hole in the post and mounted a box there. It's about a 30-foot run from the panels over to the well where I'm going to put the junction box. While I don't recommend you do this, I had a bunch of spools of number 14 wire that I had no other use for. So rather than spend money on new number 10 wire, I tied 3 number 14s, which probably combined make more than a number 10. A very hard to get out big boulder right in the middle of where we wanted to plant the panel. 3 number 14 blacks and 3 number 14 reds. I'm going to connect them together in these. Number 10. Looks like a pretty good solder job. I'll go ahead and tape it up. Okay, this is going to be our disconnect switch. It's going to totally disconnect the panels that go over to the well, and I'm using this switch. It is a double pole, so it's got a pole on this side, a pole on this side. When you run solar panels in series, the 2 panels double the voltage, but the amps stay the same, and they were rated at 20, so I ordered a 20 amp breaker.